All right, everyone. So how to get rid of a side parting. I know many of you, would like to have a middle part, which I've done videos on, but there's a lot of you who are trying to figure out how to stop getting this middle parting. So first of all, when it comes to partings, most human beings are born with a natural parting. Sorry, there's a bug flying right here. So they're mostly born with a natural parting. And that's just the way it is. It's the same thing. You have a specific hairline, cheekbones, whatever it is, physically, you're pretty much born with that. So with your hair, you kind of have to battle what's naturally happening, and sometimes that could be a bit challenging. Now, you've heard the phrase, training your hair. Over time, yes, you can train your hair to where you can go even from this side to the opposite side. But the key thing is you have to make sure your hair has enough length on it, okay? Meaning that if it's long enough like this, right, this is pretty long hair, so the hair comes down to like the bottom of the nose here, you could easily manipulate this hair to where you're able to work it with a brush, because a lot of this is using a brush and really trying to blow dry or quote unquote iron in with the heat another part on the opposite side or down the middle, okay? If you were to just have no parting on your hair and just slick it all back, you could kind of easily do that with product, with very, very strong holding product like my Power Cream, for example. If you wanted to slick it all back, use like a crazy glue product and there you go, it's gonna help. But if you're looking to like have really not a lot of product, have it wearing very naturally, and you work to get rid of a part, well, the hair is just literally gonna fall on your face like this. So if you want that, that's totally fine. However, again, I don't know how many of you can just have hair all on your face throughout the whole day. So what do you have to do? First of all, you have to make sure your hair is damp or wet. And I would do this right out of the shower. So let's just say this hair is a bit damp in through here, as you can see. And we're gonna comb this down like so. And there we go. So what you need to do is actually, I would say, comb the hair all forward this way and start to brush it over and set in where you want your new natural parting, whether that's in the middle, whether it's over to the other side, like so. But you have to start training your hair to go in the opposite direction, and you have to really start to blow dry it in. Now, when I talk about blow drying, I would suggest, well, you have to use a blow dryer. This is the blow dryer I sell on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. It's only available to ship in Canada and United States because of the voltage and the wattage issues on this thing. I'm sorry about like the plug or whatever. But anyway, so you need to have full high heat. Make sure you have this nozzle, which is a magnetic attachment, which goes on here. And then you work the hair in. So let me demonstrate. All right, so just with that alone, now this is a vent brush that I do sell, an anti-static vent brush that I do sell also at shop.thesalonguy.com. But you can see already what I've done is I've created more of a parting on the complete opposite side of the head, which is right here. And the reason I was able to do that simply was because I used the heat, which you need from a blow dryer. Do not be afraid of the heat. Also the brush, and you have to know how to start to work the hair with your hands and styling techniques. But also notice that I was able to grab the hair at the base and blow dry it like this. So I'm bending the hair to go the opposite direction like this, apply some heat to it, and the next thing you know, you can see the hair is now gonna go back a little bit. If you get a little closer, the hair now will have a little bit of kind of like some lift almost to it, but it's going over the complete opposite direction, and that was from the parting on this side being there naturally. And I've done so many haircuts where the part was always here. So there you go. You can use a round brush also, something like one of my 2 round brushes. This is the larger size, the 2.5 inch, and then I have a 2 inch. Same thing, you can blow dry if you want to get the hair smooth. If you have a bit longer hair, like down to here, you want to smooth it out, get rid of any frizz, and also do the parting in a different place, then you would need probably a round brush to really get that hair smooth. This won't necessarily smooth the hair as much or defrizz it, but if you have perfectly straight hair, then this will work out beautiful for you. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, please use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.